1, jump!
Buksan ko na. Ikaw na lang magbukas. Thank you! Ayan, thank you, Mami. Thank you. Wala lang ating picture dito. Ito ka daan dito. Kasama? Wala lang. Mag-music mo na dito. Kasi tulula. Ayaw nila eh. Wait lang. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ayan, picture ko naman. With cake. Ang pakinggan mo lang.
Ang sa tilugan mo.
Wish ko matatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Salamat at nakinig ka sa mga advices namin. Andito lang kami nila Ate Muan at Ate Kim. Gagawin palagi sa'yo. I love you so much, anak. Ayan. Tapos may video sila.
Tita Kath. Happy birthday, Tita Kath! Happy birthday, Tita! Love you!
Wish ko lang sana ma-enjoy mo yung buong araw mo. Lagi tayong papakabait at makikinig kay Mama. We hope to see you all soon. Bye! Love you from me, Cherry, and
Ayan. Hindi ganun kasabi mo sa kanila.
thank you po!
Yun lang. Kay Mami.
Sinabi ko na lahat kanina sa kanila.
Sige na. Sige.
Hello, good morning anak. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday sa aking bunsong anak na si Katherine. 1 year added again sa iyong edad. Ang bilis ng panahon, parang kailan lang yung birthday mo. Just a simple message, hindi ko na to hahabaan anak. Okay lang magkamali. As long as you learn a lesson from it. Never stop dreaming. Andito lang kami nila Ate Muan, Ate Kim, gumagabay sa'yo. Hindi kita susukuan at hindi rin ako mapapagod. Andito lang ako lagi sa tabi mo para abutin ang pangarap at future na inaasam mo. At lalong-lalong hindi kita bibitawan. Hanggang sa maabot mo yung dreams at future na inaasam mo sa buhay. Enjoy your day. Hope you have more years to come. May God continue to bless you. Wish you a lifetime, happiness, smile, and shining future. I love you so much, anak. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bye. Enjoy your day. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kath! Wish ko lang sana ma-enjoy mo yung buong araw mo. And lagi tayong papakabait at makikinig kay Mama. We hope to see you all soon. Bye! Love you from me, Baby Carrie, and Jeff.
Happy birthday, Tita Kat. Happy birthday, Tita Kat. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Kat.
We love you.
I love you.
Keep safe lagi.
Keep safe lagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Kat.
Happy birthday, Tita Kat. Happy birthday, Tita.
Love you. Happy birthday mo.
Happy